Today I'll be showing you how to use Quickshare to transfer files between your Android device and your PC. I'm using a Windows PC for this tutorial, so if you're on Mac, then I'm not really sure how to help. Okay, so to begin, head over to this website and then download Quickshare. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. After downloading, you're going to find the setup file in your download folder. So double click it and install it by tapping yes. For the installation process, make sure you have an active internet connection. After installing it, you should see a shortcut here called Quickshare. But if you don't see it, just press the Windows button on your computer and then search for Quickshare. So this is it over here. Click it to open it, and this is what it will look like. So I'm going to maximize this. Now you don't really need to sign in, because if you come here, you'll see the sign in button. You don't need to sign in to use it, but if you want, you can. For me, I'm going to stay signed out. Okay, so let's say you have a picture you want to send from your phone to the laptop. Head to where the picture is on your phone. Next, you press the share button on your phone. For me, it is the button in the bottom left corner. Then you're going to see the quick share option. Tap it. On your PC, open Quickshare, come up here to where it says device hidden, click it and then tap receive from everyone. And you can see on my phone I now have access to my PC, so I can tap it and it's going to ask me on my PC if I want to accept. All I have to do is click accept and the picture will be sent. You can click here to open it and the picture will be opened. If you want to know where everything is being saved, you come here, click here, and there you can see where received files are sent to. So for me, this is where it's sent to. You can change it if you want. If you wish to transfer files from your PC to your phone, first of all, you can drag everything and drop it on your desktop, or you can create a new folder, drag everything you want to send to your phone and drop it here. So open up Quickshare, open up the folder where you have everything and just drag and drop here. So your PC is going to start looking for your phone. On your phone, access your quick toggles. This is the Quickshare icon. Tap it. Your phone is going to ask you to turn on visibility. So tap turn on. Tap everyone. Then tap done. You can see that the PC has found my phone. But if your PC doesn't still find your phone, just access your quick toggles and enable your location. Your PC should find your phone. After that, just select your phone by clicking on it, and on your phone tap accept and the image has been sent. So I can check my gallery app and I'll find the image. So that's how you use Quickshare to transfer files between your Android phone and your PC. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.